Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your SRAM power meter. First, make sure your power meter is correctly installed on your bike. It's crucial that the battery is either fully charged or brand new to ensure a smooth connection process. Next, grab your smartphone and open the SRAM AXS app. This application is essential for managing and connecting your power meter, providing a seamless user experience for all your SRAM components. Now, let's get your power meter paired with the app. Gently rotate your crank arm a few times to wake up the power meter. Once it's active, navigate to the Add Component section within your SRAM AXS app. The app will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. This usually takes less than 30 seconds, establishing a strong connection between your device and the app. After pairing with the AXS app, you'll want to connect your power meter to your cycling computer or head unit. Go into your head unit sensor pairing menu. It will then search for available sensors. Select your SRAM power meter from the list, which typically appears with a unique ID. Confirm the connection, and you should immediately see power data displayed, usually in watts, ensuring accurate ride metrics. Finally, let's talk about calibration and verification. It's good practice to perform a zero-offset calibration before each ride. You can do this through your head unit or the SRAM AXS app. Make sure the crank arm is vertical and there's no load on the pedals during this process. After calibration, take a short test ride to verify that you're getting consistent and accurate power readings, ensuring optimal performance data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.